Welcome to 3 Minutes from lafabrica&jotabequ, Guatemala. All advertising agencies are the same. Some want to be famous and others want to be effective. It's said that God doesn't give you 2 for 2. We apologize, but yes, you can join artists and accountants with geeks and freaks. At lafabrica&jotabequ, we think you can be famous and effective. You need proof? We'll give it to you. Pen and paper, the job begins. Do you recognize these brands? One day they disappeared. This didn't please consumers, so we went out and empowered the people to change their cable provider. Result? More than 10,000 visits to the website where we told people to which companies they could change their cable carrier. 15% of the cable operators put HBO back on their channels. Now, they're all at home watching their favorite movies. Famous and effective. Okay, great? Okay, wait. We had 2 problems. 1 out of every 3 kids does not attend school, and the market for bleach was shrinking for the 4th straight year. Let's do something to improve these 2 situations. We put the white, the kids put the magic. Consumer loyalty was strengthened. Over $15,000 was donated to the SOS Children's Villages, and Magia Blanca Bleach scored a record market share of 80% and a Grand Effie Award. Magic? No, passionate work. Enough said, it's made us thirsty. Let's drink a pachoncito de agua pura salvavidas. The brand needed to be modernized at the basic communications level. The solution? A kids' rock group and a fashionable video game. The result? A 50% increase in sales, great presence at points of sale, and kids drinking pure water. Doesn't that make you want to burst into song? And in digital? Sure, here it goes. 3.8 million people worldwide die of diabetes each year. The principal source of advice for the diabetic is doctors, and the second most important is the internet. Let's set up a social support group for diabetics. Ready? La Diabeteria, a web portal for diabetics and their families to exchange advice, experiences, places to shop, and to get mutual support. The target was exceeded by 300%, and media exposure reached 224% of the amounts invested in communications. How sweet is Honey's success, that's for sure. Now we'll finish up with a mission impossible. Impossible? Ha! Let's sell a really expensive television to a very small market using just BTL and becoming attractive again. Result? We exceeded sales estimates by 1,260%. In a short time, got a 50% market share, and in 1 year an 80% market share. These actions added up to a best practices launch for Samsung in the region. Maybe it's because of our great clients. Maybe because of our great passion for creating ideas that are relevant and exceed objectives, or a combination of both. We are sure of one thing. We don't accept short-term relationships. What we're looking for is lasting relationships built on trust. So who are we? We are passionate people who live their work, who are delighted with what they produce, and who give their all for their brands, as well as a company with more than 10,000 collaborators worldwide. That's a lot, and our 3 minutes are over. We're so effective, we did our 3 minutes in less than 3 minutes. That's effectiveness. Bye.